Welcome to the last part of our mini-series. This time, aalamin natin kung paano mag-compute ng sample size, either manually, using Sloven's formula or automatically using online tools. Ang topic is, how to determine sample size. Using Sloven's formula. So this is the Sloven's formula is N is equal to population divided by open and close parentheses 1 plus population open and close parentheses margin of error and squared. And this is the formula. Example, kung ang population ay 1,000 at margin of error ay 0.05, compute mo lang ang steps by step. So, margin of error squared equals 0.05 squared equals 0.25. So, population, open and close parentheses, margin of error squared equal 1,000 times 0.25 is equal 2.5. 1 plus 2.5 is equal 3.5. Sample size equal to 1,000 divided by 3.5 is equal to 286 respondents. Ganun siya kadali. Using online sample size calculators. Pero kung ayaw mo mag-manual compute, merong mas mabilis. Rowsoft sample size calculator, SurveyMonkey sample size calculator, Qualtrics sample size tool. Input mo lang ang population size, confidence level, 90%, 95%, or 99%, margin of error, and automatic nilang ibibigay ang recommended sample size. And that's it. Ngayon, alam mo na kung paano gumawa ng bell curve, paano gamitin ang Jamovi para sa descriptive correlation at regression analysis, at paano mag-compute ng sample size using Sloven's formula or calculators. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.